Alright guys, here is a video of a 52-inch Hunter 1886 limited edition ceiling fan. Now I got this fan in November of 2016, so I had this for a while. I had it for a pretty long time, and I believe this fan is museum worthy since there's one of these in the museum that Dan Newman put in there, and I was heard that the 4-blade version was called 1886 series. But okay, yeah, sorry, this thing's actually turning in the wind right now since I got a fan running right here since it's kind of hot outside, and I'm gonna show you the label of it. Well, it tells me it's from January of 1988, and the label of it is right here. And it actually came with a lower canopy, but apparently it doesn't stay. It just falls down. That's where it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna show it to you right now. Okay, so this is the lower canopy. Yeah, I know it has rust on it since it's been in a shed, and I actually don't necessarily want to keep the fans in the shed. It's just because of that I don't have space in my house enough for all those fans, so I had to put a quarter of my fan collection into my bedroom right here. So go back outside. And without further ado, let's give this fan a demo, starting it on low speed. And now they have these at a hotel, which is actually like which is like half an hour away from me. Those are in Verde. Like those are the 1886 series. I think the 1886 series ones are a different color. This one says limited on it. Okay, let's take it to medium. Yeah, it's starting to shake the testing rig. Now for high. Okay, now this fan is pretty powerful, considering the fact that it's kind of heavy. Switch housing spins, which I think is pretty cool. When I first saw it on like a picture, I never knew it spun until I saw one in person at that hotel. I believe I got it at Habitat for $40. I got it for 40. I forgot. I don't know what I said earlier in the video though. But I got it in 2016. I have a video of it on my channel, but it's not a very good video though. It's just on the floor. When I used to spin them on the floor. Okay, now for reverse. Yeah, and this pull chain here is actually not original to the fan. I just had to put like I just had to add a pull chain to it since, if you see right here, this pull chain is like super short. So I added this one, which is actually a long cloth chain for a fan, for a new box fan that I have. That one's the Cat Tongue Puncher Low Profile copy. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and check out my other videos.